Hey everybody, this is Mac with Monto, and I want to make you a quick video to show you our newest app, Multi-Currency. So what this app tries to accomplish is that if I'm selling my products in multiple countries, there's usually a problem where my shoppers who are in foreign countries will see the products in my home currency, when really what should be happening is that they see the products in their home currency. The prices should be the same, but they should be translated to the currency that the customer is most comfortable with. For example, I'm in the US, so I'm going to sell my products in US dollars. But if one of my customers accesses my site from Canada or from Mexico, they should see it in the Mexican peso or the Canadian dollar. So this app allows that to happen automatically. Getting set up is super easy. All you have to do is first visit the setup page. And if you've ever installed one of these Monto apps in the past, you don't need to do this. If it's your first Monto app, you do need to do this. So essentially just add this one-line script to your project settings, custom code, head code, save and publish to your production domain. Once you've done that, you're all set up. Now just visit the configure page and turn the app on. So if you see my app is on here already, but in case it looks like this, just make it look like this. Cool. So that's that. In terms of all of our apps, this is the easiest one to configure. And then it's working for your shop. So I'll give you a quick demo of what it looks like. So this is a user who sells their products in euros. They're based in Germany. Now, when this user turns the app on and I access this site from my country, which is the United States, you'll see that the price will automatically change to dollars. There you go. Now, if the user was accessing the site from Japan, they're going to see the price in yen. Now, 4,651 yen equals 34.95 euros. We make it so every time the currency is displayed in a different currency, there's a currency conversion that happens behind the scenes just to make sure we get the exact price at that moment. So that's a bit how it works. Essentially, it's the simplest app we've made in terms of the user experience. They just access your site and they see the prices in the currency that they're most comfortable in. So that's that. The app, like you notice here, is currently in beta, not because it's not working properly. Everything's stable and reliable. We're just going to keep adding features to it as the weeks go on. So over the next 3 or 4 weeks, we'll continue to build it out a bit more. If you have any feedback, we really want to hear from you, especially while it's in beta. Please reach out to me personally, Mac, M-A-C-K, @monto.io. Okay, thanks everybody.